Let's make some lunch. Placing this here. Add some salt, pepper, of onion powder. Baking this at 450 for about 12 minutes. Some avocado oil. Have some broccolini here. Salt, balsamic glaze, and some butter. I have a few carrots I'm gonna add. And lastly, I'm gonna add this pepper. This is the plate we're gonna be using today. It's super gorgeous. It's hard to read, but it says Allison right there. Got some purple radish here. That looks incredible. Okay. Toasted rye bread. On my egg. Got some avocado. I have some tomato here. I have some cucumber. I got 2 radishes here. I almost forgot about my radishes. Okay, I'm gonna pop these in. Lastly, I'm gonna add this yogurt dip that I made on top of the eggs. Some fresh parsley. So beautiful. Cheers, guys.
This was done by none other than Allison.